Lovers Rock Showcase taking place on Saturday, the 1st of April 2023 at Westwood Street, Moss Side. Performing live, the Queen of Lovers Rock reggae icon, Janet Kay, performing her smash hits, Silly Games, Loving You, and many, many more. Music supplied by Cecil G from Moods Radio, Bubsy Dan, Legacy, The Surgeon, Dr. C, The Lion Paw, Father Lion. The night will be hosted by Maffa T and Sugar Ray, all playing on Soundtrack. Tickets on Skiddle or from any of the DJs, currently priced at £15. Sponsored by Moods Radio, and we'll see you there.
Hiya, it's your girl Sandra Cross, and guess what? The Sandra Cross Choir is now also operating online.
What? Online?
Yeah, you heard right. You can now rehearse my songs from the comfort of your home. Then at the end of each month, I come to your hometown for a grand live rehearsal. So, hold on a minute. This means that we can cater for Birmingham, Manchester, Leeds, Leicester, Derby, Sheffield.
Contact us on 07936 649 787 or visit our website sandracrosschoir.com.
Feel alright now, boy, I thank you. Hey, it's your girl Sandra Cross, and you're tuned into the official supporter of the Sandra Cross Choir, moodsradio.co.uk.
If you have an event or business and need advertising, Moods Radio can help. We do tailored adverts and very competitive prices. Contact Moods Radio on 07538 360 037 or email moodsradiouk@gmail.com. You can also check us out on Twitter, Instagram and Facebook.
Moods Radio, broadcasting from 8 a.m. 7 days a week across the world.
Chat to us in the chat box. We are one big Moods family, playing music for every mood.
We don't rush vibes, we build vibes.
Live on Moods Radio.
Hi, this is Philip Fraser, and you're in tune to DJDelux. Seeing Philip Fraser says so. So keep it locked. Seeing DJDelux, control the town. Hey.
www.moodsradio.co.uk. Of course, it's Friday night in the United Kingdom, but we have listeners from all over the world. So good morning, good afternoon, good evening, good night, wherever you're listening from. Big up yourself, Mikey Living Rock. What an excellent show, as per usual here on Moods Radio, every Friday between the hours of 8 and 10. That is a show, and that is a complete heat. But in the meantime, you know what it's time for now, don't you?
Listening to the sounds of
DJDelux.
The best party around. Friday flavors with
Here we go.
DJDelux. 10 p.m. to midnight.
Keep it locked, cause you will be shocked.
This a sound boy killer.
The number one station, period. All around the world.
The foundation of the music. Tell them so. Watch it.
DJ, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up, mix it up.
DJDelux. This is the internet's #1 Moods Radio.
In the mix with the baddest DJ that ever mixed on vinyl record. On www.moodsradio.co.uk. Who know fi talk about bad? Who know fi know the baddest on road? Hear me now, myself.
August Alcina here. Hey yo, this Kid Ink. And here's what's popping off next. Turn your radio up. What up? This Usher, Lil Wayne, Which we go love. Check out the joints we got rolled up next.
Wow, wow! What's popping? Everything is on the rise. Nothing ain't dropping.
My God!
Real and proper. Start the helicopter.
Here we go. Here we go.
Pull it.
Way up and stay up in a brother. Way up and stay up in a brother. Get mad now.
Let's get.
What's up, y'all? What's up, y'all? I'm Beyonce.
Yo, what's up? This is Dr. Dre.
Hey yo, this is Sean Paul.
This is Sean Paul, the girls I'm overall right here. Dirty.
Larger Blue One, Mr. Lover. Shaggy, yo, the best station on the planet.
This is Big Snoop D-O-double-G, and I hope y'all ready for the bombest to ever grace the airwaves in this town.
Lock it up, lock it in to your favorite radio station.
Yo! The one I dedicated to all the sound boys who think they can take on a big, bad and mighty sound. DJDelux is the only one who runs the ground and he's in the house right now.
Hear me now? The voice of the Journey Boss Patex I represent for the baddest DJ. I'm Mr. DJDelux. You fire some musical bullet.
The biggest, best, baddest party in the world. Friday flavors with DJDelux. Turn it up.
The weekend party starts here. It's Friday. Get your party on with Deluxe on Friday Flavors.
6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Did somebody say DJDelux, you fire some musical bullets? Hear this.
I'm on Willie Williams, not Gideon, presenting DJDelux. DJDelux, totally committed to reggae music for over 40 years. Original soldier, original champion, not Gideon. Bum, 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 bum.
Willie Williams, here we go.
Deluxe, I gonna nice up your session tonight. Set another song, why nice your session tonight?
Fire! 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 Fire!
That song is under arrest. You're not tuned. You're not tuned. Pull it up again. Pull it up again. Pull it up again. Pull it up again.
Mr. Deluxe, run it again. Run it back. Pull up and come again. Pull up and come again. Pull up and come again.
A very good evening to each and everybody who's locked into moosradio.co.uk. We have a heat for you tonight. We really do. Let's say a big hi to a few people on the shout box. Mikey Living Rock, big up yourself, sir. Mark down there in Wolves, big up, sir. How you doing this evening? Marcia J's on there. Laurie, big up. And of course, Lady Polly's in tuned as well. This is Moose Radio, and there's a bit of a story behind this because we were talking to Willie Williams in the week, and we were saying, Deluxe has mixed this, Willie Williams. What do you think? He said, you know what? I think I've got a hit on my hands again. It made me smile. Willie Williams, big up.
Presenting DJDelux.
Endorsed by Willie Williams himself. Mixed by Deluxe.
Original soldier, original champion, not Gideon. Bum, 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 bum. Deluxe, I gonna nice up your session tonight. Set another song, why nice your session tonight? Greetings, I'm on Willie Williams presenting on your dial DJDelux, the original radio champion in your area.
It's Friday night on Moods. Deluxe is here.
I'm on Willie Williams, not Gideon, presenting DJDelux. DJDelux, totally committed to reggae music for over 40 years. Original soldier, original champion, not Gideon. Bum, 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 bum.
DJ Culture, big up. Brand new remix by Deluxe, voiced by Willie.
Deluxe, I gonna nice up your session tonight. Set another song, why nice your session tonight? Cause DJDelux in your station. All other sound guy, I call them version. So another song won't get no justice tonight. DJ Deluxe and lights up the place tonight. Cause him complete, them original. Him don't lose split our version. Him a the champion. Hey boy, boy. Hey boy, hold on. DJ Deluxe, original champion in your session. The other one hold us up, version.
Exclusively. Remix by Deluxe, hear this.
Hey, another song by running night tonight. Inbound sound I go run, I go high tonight.
Debian Broadcasting House, big up.
Them don't come on ya, them will get your fire. Champion taking over.
This is DJ Deluxe live and direct till midnight. It's Friday. Oh my gosh, Willy. Moodsradio.co.uk.
Up your session tonight.
Want to play you something that's brand new as well next. This is mixed and mastered.
Another song going nice your session tonight.
We want to play this next. Get by, stand by, we're going. Moods Radio on a Friday night, so how you doing out there? Just want to big up all my Dialtone production family in Kingston, Jamaica. And talking of Dialtone Productions, now this is brand new. Watch out for this one. It's called The Cool Rock Rhythm, mixed up again by us over there at Dialtone in Kingston. Get ready. This is available to purchase www.dialtoneproduction.com. Also on all digital platforms as well, or you can hit me up on Instagram, Deluxe Grooves. We have a whole heap of artists on it you want to hear. Bascomex, here we go. Piece after piece coming at you. Watch this now.
If I could take your hands in mine and I would prove to you your love is mine. Girl, I promise you love for life. If I could take you around the world, you and I, baby, mountains we will climb. Girl, I promise you love for life.
All the people on the chat box loving it, big up.
But this is the truth, I'm really feeling you. Just give me a chance and I will pull you through.
It's called The Cool Rock Rhythm, Deluxe in Motion, Loyal Flames. Get it at Dialtone Production, it's all ours. Brand new, mixed and mastered for 23.
It's a shame the state we're living in, the things they purchase just to get a name. The state we're living in. It's a shame the state we're living in.
Big up all my family at Dialtone, Kingston, Jamaica, we're coming at ya. Loyal Flames, here we go. Hear this, hear this, hear this, hear this.
Man gets smart, everybody gets a clever. They will take your life for the simplest of letters. It's minded people undermining each other. Crop in a barrel, no one you climb up the ladder. No man, no one lead.
believe what them gal yesterday. She do it to Tom and she do it to Harry. And in her heart she no love nobody. She a use her head from Bobby for money. Can't believe what them gal yesterday. She do it to Tom and she do it to Harry. In her heart she no love nobody. And if you think I lie run, go ask Nakita. She did a ask her where she a do it for. She have a man already, then where she a cheat for. True she par with Giovanna, and I treat the big man like little pitney when I have no mother. And when she par with Samantha, everybody know Kabadi sit down and wonder. You gonna run 15 cigarettes.
Junior Kelly's on it as well. Remixed and mastered for 23 out of Dialtone. Here we go.
Inna the ghetto, it no sweet. Inna the slum, life cheap. Upper class aristocrat, politician, and you me a chat. Jaja know who you are, where you are. See the beggars on the street, please give them a penny. Cause faith long gone and hope they don't got any. Vanity, morality versus hungry belly. Me see good people, bad people, full of cemetery. When mama see the mouth no feed, mama heart get heavy. Deep down her pride, she bury, she touch the street. Pull myself up from the boat shafts. Every day we do that. For 400 years of slavery. They must say we lazy. Them killing us daily. We making it baby. They got no love. Me see it clearly. Hard road to walk. And the burden's heavy. And when we crying out for help, them not hear we. Now see we wait, we stop.
Big up DJ Cookie on the shoutbox. Big up Massive J, all the crew, Laurie. How you doing this evening? How you doing out there? This is the cool rock rhythm, whole heap of pieces on it. Out of our Dialtone production, Kingston, Jamaica. www.dialtoneproduction.com. Also available on all our digital platforms as well. Or hit me off on Instagram, Deluxe Grooves. What a heat. Right the way through. Till midnight tonight we bring it at you. Mark and Sophie said fire.
We feel King Selassie. The rich I get the rich, is why the poor man get a fine. Have you ever seen a child with white squall?
Make sure you support us, please. Moodsradio.co.uk.
Original champion DJDelux. I'm on Papa Kojak in Dorset. Green Bay killing a murder blow. Oh Lord, DJDelux for the world.